today I am going to discuss very important topic. So most of the time, sometimes it's happen that your phone will are hanging a lot. So how you can fix this problem, how you can make sure that your phone will never be uh, hangs or slow. So using this method, my technique, you can solve your problem. So basically what you need to do is to go to the settings. So you can go to the settings from the anywhere, from the any method. I am choosing this one. Just click on this gear icon, and then you will find one option here. If you will scroll down, then this is a sync. Okay, so just need to click here, and you can see here that it is in my case it's turned off. So you in your case, if it is turned on, then make sure it should be turned off. Why? Because sometimes what happen that your system will automatically sync your data, means one data will be stored in your mobile phone and another data will be stored in the hosting provider of this company like Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, and there are lots more. So basically what they are doing is to syncing the data. It means making sure that your local data and their database should be sync and should be equivalent. So these things are happening in the background. You never know that this is happening, but actually this is happening in the background, where data is syncing with their database of this company, of this app like Facebook, WhatsApp, Flipkart, Messenger, and TikTok. There are lots of more applications are there. So you can avoid these things, because if in the background any application will be sync their data, then of course your data will be consumed, your internet data will be consumed slowly, and battery will also drain, means battery will be very soon it will be it will be end. Why it is happening? Because in the background this process is going on. So you can restrict this process to these settings, and it is very important. So whenever you will open your any of the application, then at that time data will sync, not always in the background. So you just turn off. Now another setting is that another technique is that you need to go to the here, one second, play store, because lots of app are installed in your mobile phone, but these app are also updating in the background. So you can also restrict these things. Okay, so first and foremost you need to click on this three dot, and then you need to go to the settings, and here you will find one option which is the auto update apps. So once you will click, then you will find some of the option. So the third option is that don't auto update app. It means auto will not update automatically in the background, because if it will be happening in the background and also you will using certain thing, then definitely this will utilize your lots of resources and RAM, all these things. That's why your phone will be hangs and not work properly, and maybe in certain cases you need to reboot it, and there are very annoying problems. So you can very easily solve this through this technique. So I hope